Have you ever paused to consider how deeply artificial intelligence permeates our daily lives? It's there, hidden in our phones, present in our cars, and embedded in countless devices and systems we interact with every day. It's a fascinating world, one that began not with the advent of modern technology, but with the ancient dream of creating minds that could think and learn. The concept of artificial intelligence, or AI, has its roots in antiquity. Ancient Greek myths told tales of mechanical men designed by the gods, while in the East, automatons were crafted to mimic human behavior. These stories laid the groundwork for the journey towards artificial intelligence, a journey that would span centuries. Fast forward to the mid-20th century, the 1950s to be precise. This was the era when the concept of artificial intelligence started to take shape in a more tangible form. It was during a conference at Dartmouth College that the term artificial intelligence was coined by John McCarthy, a young computer scientist. This marked the birth of AI as a field of study, setting the stage for the remarkable advancements to come. During this early period, the first AI programs began to emerge. They were rudimentary by today's standards, designed to perform simple tasks such as playing checkers or solving logic problems. Yet, they represented the first steps towards creating machines that could mimic the human mind. These early programs paved the way for the development of machine learning in the 1980s. This was a significant leap forward, marking the shift from machines that simply followed preset rules to those that could learn and adapt based on data. From the creation of simple decision-making programs to the development of machine learning, AI has come a long way since its early days. It's a journey that's far from over, as we continue to push the boundaries of what artificial intelligence can achieve. Stay tuned as we dive into the rise of modern AI in our next segment. The 21st century brought about a new era for AI, with advancements in technology and an increase in data availability. The dawn of the new millennium saw an explosion in the field of artificial intelligence. The key driving forces behind this expansion were twofold: the advent of big data and the development of advanced machine learning algorithms. The world was producing data at an unprecedented rate, and AI was the tool we needed to make sense of it all. In the first decade of the 21st century, the internet became a staple in households worldwide. This digital revolution led to an enormous increase in data, giving AI the fuel it needed to grow. This data, coupled with advanced machine learning algorithms, allowed AI to learn, adapt, and evolve in ways that were previously thought to be the exclusive domain of human intelligence. As these technologies evolved, so too did the capabilities of AI. It wasn't long before AI started making its presence felt across various industries. In healthcare, AI began assisting doctors in diagnosing diseases and predicting patient outcomes. In finance, AI-powered systems started handling complex transactions and detecting fraudulent activities with a level of accuracy that humans could only dream of. Transportation was another industry that was revolutionized by AI. The concept of self-driving cars went from science fiction to reality, thanks to AI's ability to process vast amounts of data in real time and make decisions accordingly. And let's not forget about the entertainment industry, where AI started personalizing our experiences, recommending movies based on our viewing habits, and even creating music and art. But it wasn't just industries that were transformed by AI. Our everyday lives were also altered in significant ways. From voice-activated virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa that help us organize our lives, to recommendation algorithms on shopping websites that anticipate our needs, AI has become an integral part of our daily existence. As technology progressed, so did AI's capabilities, transforming industries and our everyday lives in the process. Today, AI is more than just a buzzword, it's an integral part of our daily lives. Artificial intelligence has permeated every sector, transforming the way we perceive and interact with the world. Let's take a quick tour to explore the current state of AI and its applications across various fields. In the healthcare industry, AI is revolutionizing disease diagnosis and treatment. With machine learning algorithms, computers can analyze complex medical data to identify patterns and anomalies. They can detect early signs of diseases such as cancer, even before human physicians can. For treatment, AI is helping in drug discovery by predicting how different compounds can interact, speeding up the process that traditionally takes years. Moving to the world of finance, AI is a game changer in detecting fraudulent activities. By learning from historical data, AI systems can identify patterns and behaviors indicative of fraud. They can flag suspicious transactions in real time, providing a robust safeguard against financial crimes. In the transportation sector, AI has paved the way for autonomous vehicles. AI systems in these vehicles interpret data from sensors, allowing them to navigate roads, recognize traffic signs, and avoid obstacles. They promise to revolutionize our commutes and potentially reduce traffic accidents caused by human error. But it's not just these sectors. AI is making waves in entertainment, retail, education, and more. It's helping to personalize our movie recommendations, streamline our shopping experiences, and even tailor educational content to individual students' needs. The advancements of AI are not limited to these applications. AI technologies like natural language processing and computer vision continue to evolve, opening up new possibilities. Natural language processing allows machines to understand and generate human language, powering our digital assistants and chatbots. Computer vision enables machines to interpret and understand visual data, which is crucial in fields like surveillance and robotics. The current landscape of AI is vast and diverse, with its potential only beginning to be realized. As we continue to harness the power of AI, we can look forward to a future where machines augment our abilities, making our lives easier, safer, and more efficient. What does the future hold for AI? It's a question that both excites and terrifies us. As we peer into the crystal ball of the future, we find a landscape that is both incredibly promising and dauntingly complex. Artificial intelligence is poised to reshape our world in ways we can barely imagine. It holds the potential to revolutionize industries, streamline processes, and even solve some of humanity's most pressing problems. Imagine a world where AI systems can predict natural disasters with uncanny accuracy, saving countless lives. Or a world where AI-driven medical diagnostics can catch diseases in their earliest stages, long before human doctors would be able to. The possibilities seem almost limitless. But with great power comes great responsibility. As AI continues to evolve and proliferate, we must grapple with a host of ethical considerations. How do we ensure AI technologies are used for the greater good and not weaponized for harm? How do we prevent the misuse of AI in areas such as surveillance and privacy invasion? Then there's the question of job displacement. As AI becomes more capable, there's a very real concern that many traditional jobs could become obsolete. How do we navigate this potential upheaval in the job market? How do we ensure that those whose jobs are displaced by AI are retrained and reskilled for the jobs of the future? And let's not forget the specter of superintelligent AI. While it may sound like the stuff of science fiction, many respected scientists and thinkers have raised concerns about the potential for AI to surpass human intelligence. If this were to happen, how would we control such a powerful entity? How would we ensure that its goals align with ours? These are not easy questions, and there are no simple answers. But one thing is clear. As we forge ahead into this brave new world, the possibilities seem endless, but so do the challenges. We must tread carefully, thoughtfully, and with a deep commitment to ethical principles as we shape the future of AI. As we forge ahead into this brave new world, the possibilities seem endless, but so do the challenges. So we've journeyed from the birth of AI to its current state and looked ahead to its future. But what does all this mean for us? Well, let's take a quick look back. We started with the dawn of AI, a concept that emerged from the human desire to create machines that could mimic our intelligence. This ambition set the stage for the rise of modern AI, a period marked by rapid advancements in technology and the development of algorithms that could learn and adapt like a human brain. We then explored the various applications and advancements of AI in today's world. From healthcare to finance, transportation to entertainment, AI has woven itself into the very fabric of our society. It's in our hospitals, predicting patient outcomes. It's in our banks, detecting fraudulent transactions. It's on our roads, powering autonomous vehicles. And it's in our homes, responding to our voice commands. And let's not forget about the future possibilities of AI. We're looking at a world where machines could potentially outsmart us, where AI could take over jobs traditionally done by humans, and where our ethical and moral boundaries will be constantly tested. But with these possibilities come significant challenges. We grappled with questions of privacy, job displacement, and the ethical implications of machines making decisions that have traditionally been the domain of humans. And while these issues are complex and daunting, they are not insurmountable. AI is not just a technological revolution, it's a societal one too. It has the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work, but it also brings with it a responsibility. As we continue to develop and implement AI technologies, we must ensure that they are used ethically and responsibly, and that they serve to enhance, not diminish, our human experience. So as we stand on the brink of this brave new world, let's remember that AI is a tool. Like any tool, its impact will be determined by how we use it. As we continue to navigate a world increasingly shaped by AI, we must strive to harness its power responsibly for the betterment of all.